So loan collection, is it good or bad for photography business? This is my take, right? No business person should start a business with loan money. I repeat, no business owner should start a business with loan money. Because there are forms of getting finance into your business. One is loan, one is gift, and one is investment. And you have the other one is grant, right? So let me explain the four things. When it comes to loan, someone gives you money for you to do whatever you want to do, but at the end of the agreed date, you would pay back their money plus interest. That's the loan. I don't care what you do. I don't care whether you succeed. I don't care whether you fail. But at the stipulated date, you would have to give me my money and give me back the interest on that money. That's what a loan is. They do not care about what you go and do. They will not care whether you succeed or not. They just care about their money. The other part is the gift, where family members, friends, relatives, or loved ones can just say, I've seen what you're doing. You're really going in a great way. I think I want to support what you're doing. Take this money, do what you're doing. It's not an expectation for them to get their money back or for them to give an interest back. They just love what you do, or they love you because you are close to them, because they appreciate you, they want to support. So getting money into the business via gifts is a form of support. The other part is a grant, which is they know that you have a structure that can run this business, but all you do not have is the necessary finance. So these grants are there for people who have structure, who have frameworks, who have strategy, who have tactics to deliver, but they do not have the monetary backing. So grants are there for you to access funding, for you to be able to deliver on what you want to deliver on. Then there are the investors. Investors are they just like the grants, but they give you one thing more. They don't just give you money because you have the structure, the framework, the strategy, and the tactics. They become like an advisor. They take up advisory roles, they take up consultancy roles, they take up ambassadorial roles for your business. Because they are highly placed, not just because they have money, because they are highly placed, they have friends in places. They will become your ambassador, telling other people about that business that they are investing in. Because one, they want the business to be successful. Most investors don't invest just because of the product or the service or the business. They invest because they love and trust and like the founder, right? So they are telling their friends about you, about the business, because one, they really want you to succeed. So they will take up advisory roles, tell you what to do, how to do it, what strategy would work, and they will go ahead in recommending clients for you because they want to see the business succeed. Yes, they will get their money. Yes, they will get in return on their investment. But the most important thing is that they don't just give you money and walk away. They give you money and they stay and they help you with very serious decision making. They help you with strategy. They can even remodel the business for you. They are the ones that are capable of scaling the business for you because of their network, their knowledge base, and their experience. So when you are starting out a business, the best form is not to get a loan from someone who doesn't care whether you succeed or not. All they want is their money back and their interest. You should be looking at someone who wants to gift you the finance. But for me, that's not even the best one. The best one is for you to find someone that not necessarily wants to give you money alone, but wants to invest their resources, their knowledge, their experience, their network, their friends, their circle into whatever you're doing. That's the best form of it. Because the thing about business is that if you do not have a defined way of getting the money, how are you sure, or generating the income with your business, how are you sure you'll be able to pay the loan back? How are you sure that the loan will not accumulate in the interest for a long period of time that will not even be more than the original money that you collected? How are you sure that you'll be able to make the money back and pay? So the goal is not to take loan monies when starting a business. The goal is for you to be able to build your business and find people who could be angel investors, who could give you grants, or who could invest in the business and take a part of the business, but make sure that you scale and make money. Because what's the benefit in owning 100% of a 100,000 naira business than owning 60% of a million naira business? They're not the same thing. Be smart about it. Again, if you take loan money, the truth is you're going to be working for the loan person. So those ones you say you don't feel like doing something today, loan person, they understand that one. You have to work and pay their money. It's not a good way to start business. It's not a good way to invest in your photography business, which is a very volatile market. You don't know who will hire you and who will not hire you. So why risk it and take someone's money that only wants their money back?